Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we continue working with an unusual jumpsuit. Last time, I showed you how to make a pattern for the trousers, and today I'm going to show you how to cut it, how to make a pattern for the flapping detail, and how to make a pattern for the bodice. You can make the trousers as wide as you want, 24, 25 or even 22 centimeters wide. I think that the flapping details would look better with the wide leg trousers. Moreover, wide trousers are in trend now. The front detail is ready. I'm cutting the back detail. I hope that everything is clear so far. This is the back and this is the front. I can move the back aside. Next, I need to outline the front detail. I love such interesting designs. I can move the pattern aside. Do not forget to draw a grain line. Next, I need to draw a flapping detail. It's not hard to do something when you know how to do it. Let's have a look at the picture once again. This is the waistline. I need to extend it. Have a look at this point. I'd like this detail to cover the green line. The distance from this point to the center front is 11 centimeters. That means that I need to measure and mark 11 centimeters from the center front on the other side. This is the point 11. These distances are equal. This is the center front. These two distances are even. The wrap will reach this point. Have a look at the picture once again. Do not forget to mark the center front and make a space and seam on these details. This is a must. Let us start from the green line at the bottom. The line is straight at the bottom and is slightly round at the top. Watch the way I'm drawing the line. As I've said, the line is straight at the bottom and round up from this point. You can draw it however you want. I'll explain everything when I cut the details. I'll shade this one for it to be seen clearly. I'll cut this detail next. Be very attentive. There will be a waist tuck and the center front in this detail. The two details will overlap on the top. I can start cutting now. I'm much better at cutting than I am at drawing. Have a look at the pattern. Here's the front detail and the front flapping detail. The waist tucks have to match. This is the back. The lower part of the jumpsuit is ready. It's going to look just like the one in the sketch. Next, I'm going to make a pattern for the bodice. Let's have a look at the picture before I get down to work. This is the neckline with a notch, two princess seams, and the satin waistband. There are also two princess seams and the satin waistband on the back. First, I want to make the armhole 1 cm deeper. Next, I want to make the neckline about 3 cm wider and 3 cm deeper on the back. I'll also make the front neckline 4 cm deeper and 3 cm wider, as well as the back one. I need to cut the drawn details. I've slightly changed the pattern. Be very attentive. This is the waistline. The waistband is going to be 4 cm wide. I need to mark 2 cm up and down from the waistline. You need to do the same thing when making dresses or jumpsuits with the set-in waistbands. Have a close look here. This is the center front. There should be a fold on this line. Do not forget about it. Next, I need to cut the pattern according to the drawn lines. The lower part can be thrown away. I need to join these two pieces. I've already signed the center front and the waistband. As for the princess seams, it's not hard to make them. I hope you already know it. Just cut the details. Do not forget to sign the patterns. This is the center front. There should be a fold here. If you want to make a button stand here, you can do it. In this case, do not forget about the extension. You can change the design however you want. The front bodice is ready. Let's have a look at the back. I also need to measure and mark 2 cm up and down from the waistline. There will be no fold on the back. I'll sign the side seam and the center back. This is the side seam. These details should be joined together. This is how the back part of the waistband looks like. The lines should be smooth and beautiful. Do not make any sharp angles in the patterns. Let's check if the side seams match. They do. The center front, the fold, the center front, the side seam, and the back bodice. If you work accurately, you won't have any problems with the details. That's it. I've shown you how to change the pattern for the trousers, how to make the flapping details. I've also shown you how to change the pattern for the bodice. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press a like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.